MFA, or multi-factor authentication, is the easiest and most popular way to secure enterprise users and their data. 81% of data breaches involve weak or stolen credentials, and MFA can prevent that. In this video, we'll show you how to set up the Helix plugin for Eclipse, P4Eclipse, to support Helix MFA and the Eclipse IDE on Windows 10. Here we'll be setting up a workstation with Eclipse Oxygen to access a Helix core server protected by an enterprise MFA solution. You must use Eclipse Oxygen to use the Helix MFA capabilities. With the 2017.2 release of Helix Core, support for MFA is built into the Helix server. For the steps in this video to work, your organization must use an enterprise MFA solution, such as Okta. We'll be using Okta as the example in this video. In addition, your Perforce administrator must have implemented the Helix server-side MFA capabilities. If you haven't already done so, you must install Eclipse Oxygen. The download is linked from the Eclipse Foundation website at eclipse.org/downloads. Next, you'll want to download the latest P4Eclipse plugin, which is available on the downloads page at perforce.com. On Windows, the plugin will be downloaded as a zip file. Expand it into a folder. Now, launch Eclipse Oxygen if it isn't already running. When you're in Oxygen, go to the Help menu and choose Install New Software. Click Add, which will bring up the Add Repository dialog box. Choose Local. Navigate to the folder where you unzip the plugin archive and click on that folder. Click OK. This will fill in the location of the archive. Click OK. Now you'll see the P4Eclipse software components ready to be installed. Check the box for Perforce Team Provider Core. Click Next. Then, follow the prompts to complete the installation. Next, restart the Eclipse Oxygen. Now, under the Windows menu, choose Perspective. Then, choose the Open Perspective menu and choose Other. This will open a dialog box. Find and click on Perforce, then click Open. The P4 Connections view of the Perforce perspective should now appear in the upper left corner below the toolbar. Click the plus sign. The Add a New Perforce Server Connection dialog box will appear. Type the name or IP address of your Helix core server. Next, type your username in the dialog box. Then, to authenticate, you'll need to type in your password. Once you've done this, click Next. At this point, the Helix MFA Authenticator will pop up and ask you to authenticate. Choose the factor you wish to use, provide the appropriate action in response, and click Login. If you succeed, the dialog box will tell you so. If you need to supply more than one factor, you'll be asked to authenticate again. Once you've completed the authentication process, click Close. Now, you'll see the Choose a Perforce Workspace dialog box. If your workstation already has Helix Core workspaces, they will be shown. If not, you can create one now. Your Eclipse IDE is now configured to use Helix Core with MFA. Click Finish and you're ready to work. The next time you launch Eclipse, the software will start by asking you to authenticate via the Helix MFA Authenticator. Helix MFA currently works with Okta out of the box, and it's configurable with other providers. We hope you found this video helpful and understand how Helix MFA works with Eclipse Oxygen and the Helix P4Eclipse plugin. For more information, please access the online technical documentation. Or, if you have any specific technical questions, contact support@perforce.com.